A new type of snow that's shocking all Canadians. It's just hits all over the country this Friday, March 3, 2023. Up to 35 centimeters big snowstorm called Thundersnow. It's a new snow characteristic that hits the city of Toronto for the first time in the entire snow history of Canada. Please like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of upcoming videos and snowstorm for other city. Remember, Canada has the longest winter and snow story in the world, but this has taken attention of all different sectors in the province of Ontario. Meteorologists said thundersnow, which is simply snow accompanied by thunder and lightning, is not completely uncommon. Obviously, it doesn't happen frequently with each and every storm. There have to be certain mechanisms at play. One of them is significant lift and significant convection. Toronto police are also warned that expressways are tracked bare and side streets are like ice. It's extremely hard to see out on city streets. Different weather specialists from Merger TV's News in Toronto update the city and kept warning people to be careful walking or crossing the street. The city issued a storm update stating that up to 35 centimeters of snow is now predicted. Currently, the warming center at Metro Hall with 3 additional centers in the city were opened in different locations. As soon as the snow started to accumulate and reached 2.5 centimeters, the city plow was activated on expressways, 5 centimeters on major roads, transit routes, and streets with hills, and 8 centimeters on residential streets, sidewalk and separated bike lane clearing begin when the snow reached 2 centimeters. All city-operated community recreation centers were closed this Saturday, March 4th, and all programming was cancelled. Outdoor rinks will open once the snow is cleared. The TTC cancelled a previously planned weekend subway closure and added extra bus service to key routes across the city to prepare for the severe conditions. Ontario Provincial Police spokesperson Carrie Schmidt advised Greater Toronto Area residents to avoid travel, unless necessary, and give plows ample time to clear streets before venturing out. The City Transportation Services said that crews have applied liquid salt brine to Toronto expressways on critical locations to prevent the ice from bonding to the pavements. Universities such as Toronto Metropolitan and others announced campuses closed. Different airlines such as WestJet and Air Canada announced the proactive closure of all flights in and out of Toronto Pearson Airport as on Friday evening until Saturday morning. If you would like to watch and enjoy more similar videos, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.